Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Lorraine from Make Money Online Niches, and you can check out my website, which is makemoneyonline-niches.com, and the link will be in the description box below this video. Now today I'm bringing you a review of Cached, and this is brought to you by a guy called Glynn Kosky. Now, what this is basically is a cloud-based app that creates 100% done-for-you courses and membership style sites, and there's even a mini e-com site in there so that you can get more sales to your affiliate links and products, digital products. So what I want to do is take you over to the sales page. Let's have a look at the sales page first. Then have a look at the bonuses I have available. I've got 4 great bonuses available for you. And I've got access to the members dashboard, so we can go over to the members dashboard a little bit later in the video and have a look at what's on the inside of this thing called Cached. So let's go over to the sales page now. Okay, so this is the sales page for Cached, and as you can see, it's not live yet. It's going live today, Monday the 4th of October, 10 AM EST. And so if you land on this page, then you can enter your email address to win a free copy of Cached. Now I do have a preview of the sales page, so let's have a look at the sales page. And this is the sales page for Cached. Oh, and as you can see, there's a coupon off here on the sales page, so you are going to get Cached for $14 with the coupon off on the front end. So there's a fantastic savings straight away. Now, this is the sales page for Cached, and there is a sales video here, and the claims here are that there's 0 expenses required, 0 experience required, 0 tech skills required, and this is basically a 100% done for you course membership style sites where you can legally monetize other people's videos and other content by copying the content and then monetizing it and pushing traffic to these sites, these mini sites. That's what it's about. So free buyer traffic is built in. There's free gift for the first 100 buyers. You also get the Super Profit Suite, which gets you more traffic and 100 times your results, which is worth nearly $2,000, and that's free for the first 100 buyers of Cached. So this is on the sales page, and you can get to this sales page once the site goes live today, 10 AM EST. You can get to that by going through my bonus page. Any button on my bonus page will take you through to this sales page for Cached. So it's a breakthrough system. People are making money, easy commissions every day, free buyer traffic built in, and basically software built in to training and software system. So let's have a look at the funnel and the bonuses I have available. Decide to pick up Cached through my link, which will be the first link in the description box below this video. So let's go to my bonus page now. Right, this is my bonus page for Cached. Let's see, there you are. Cached. In just 60 seconds, copy the Cached system, makes $1,000 plus per day, and it's going live soon. Cloud-based app creates the done-for-you courses, sets you up with multiple profit factories with lead generation pages and monetized website. You can sell all sorts of different affiliate products. You can build your list and earn commissions at the same time, which is fantastic because you're not paying for advertising, so that's money in your pocket, isn't it? And You can add subscribers to your list and it generates daily fast cash. Now the front end of this, as we see, $17, and there is a $3 coupon off, so you can get that for a quick saving to $14. Then we've got the OTA 01, which is the one-time offer unlimited, which is $67 and a downsell of $37. And OTO 2, which is more done for you stuff, which is $97 and a downsell of $47. The OTO 3 is unlimited traffic for $97 with a downsell of $47. OTA 4 automation, $67 and a downsell at $37. OTA 5 ATM, which is $197 and a downsell of $47. And OTO 6 is ultimate, $197, a downsell of $47. And the license rights for cached is $67 or a downsell at $37. So this is the funnel for cached, and basically let's now have a look at the bonuses that I have available if you decide to pick cached up through my link. Okay, so the first thing that we have is the 7 minutes sale system. Access to 7 minute system. Now what this is a training course and some traffic that my mentor John Armstrong said he hadn't heard of but started to use. This actual software and training was set up by a student of his about a year ago, and it's all to do with CPA, which is cost per action affiliate marketing. But you can get paid quite quickly with CPA. Reason is that it's not something that people buy in order for you to get paid. They don't have to get their credit cards out. Basically with CPA, it's the action they take. So action could be just putting their name into a field, putting their telephone number or an email address into a field, and you will get paid. You can even get paid for clicks. It's a low monetary return, but the more you actually have traffic running to the links, the more you're going to get paid. So you can easily make up to $100 a day with this method, and this is what his student did. So then we have the bonus, which is 5 email marketing tips for higher conversions, which is obviously to get conversions, you need people to open your emails. So it doesn't matter how big your list has gone to. If people are not actually clicking on those emails and open them up to read what's inside, you're never going to make a sale. So this is something that can help you with your email marketing. So, and bonus number 3 is access to Jono's headlines hack. Now, obviously, this again is great for your emails and also for landing and squeeze pages, so that you can get the right headlines for people to actually take actions, because the headlines and the way that you word your landing pages and your emails is key to people actually taking an action. So the next bonus is bonus number 4, and this is the JavaScript commission bot. And this bonus is only available for the first 24 hours only. Now this is like a 2-part software and application, which is basically like a business in a box. And what it does is help you to generate free traffic from Twitter and Instagram, and it does it in a passive way. So you don't need to be doing anything. You don't need to make videos. You don't need to send emails or anything out. Basically, this does drive the traffic, get the traffic from Twitter and Instagram towards your affiliate offers. And that's only available for the first 24 hours only. Now, any of these yellow buttons on my bonus page will take you through to the sales page for cached, where you can take a more in-depth look at the sales page for yourself and watch the sales video. And you will obviously still be entitled to all of the vendor bonuses as well. Now, if you decide to pick up cached through my link, which is the first link in the description box below this video, then this receipt will take you to all of the bonuses that I've just explained. So this little blue button here on the receipt, that's where you would access all of these bonuses and the vendor bonuses. So that is my bonuses for cached. And now what we can do is go over to the members area, the dashboard for cached, and have a look inside of what this is all about. So this is the dashboard for cached, and here we are in tutorials. The dashboard has the welcome videos, and if we just click there we can see what that looks like. So here you've got the first step, what to do, and then there's various other things within here. You've got your tutorials down the left hand side, your campaigns, your page content, the products, the done for you, the free traffic, the upgrades. So if you decide to purchase any upgrades, then you'll find them under this tab here. You've got your help support system. So with the tutorials, obviously you've got this page here, which is just taking a little time to load, but you know, welcome to the support for cached. So you've got some video here which gives you the over the shoulder training, then you've got your integrations, free trial there, and then how to set up your done for you campaigns, and then you've got affiliate links, and then you've got how to create campaigns. You need to watch this in full, how to publish and share your campaigns, using the upgrades. So if you've purchased any upgrades, this is where you will find all your information for that. Get your done for you affiliate links, and so basically this in Coinbase is one, BlockFI, Binance is another, and then it's got another video of bonus builder, traffic strategies, more traffic strategies, more traffic strategies. So basically there's a lot of videos for the money that you pay for this, like $17 on the front end through this launch period, and there's even a $3 coupon off. So this is cached. Like I say, this is coming from Glynn Kosky. Now, so basically this is it in a nutshell, and I think that there's a tremendous amount of information and support in order to look at how you generate traffic just in this product alone. So, you know, I think it's a steal. Anyway, that's all I have for now. I'll see you on the next video. If you like these videos, please give them a thumbs up. If you don't like them, give them a thumbs down. And then, you know, if you want to see more of these, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and you'll be notified any time I upload another video to my channel. So that's all for now. Bye for now.